First time.
Kamusta naman?
Siyempre nakakakaba. Nakakakaba pero pag naisip mo na tinawag ka para ibahagi yung boses mo, yung oras mo, then it's not about me anymore, but it's about what I'm doing.
Bagay sa yung mismo kasi drama.
Oo nga, pinili niya mismo para sa akin yun. Pinili mismo ni Sir Ricky dahil sabi niya nga, alam ko pangarap mo someday na maging director or producer. So mapipicture mo na to na ganyan. So yun na, I'm just so honored to have this experience with everyone, especially my friends na nasa likod, to read in front of him. Something from Pinilakan ni Tati. Nung bata ako, hindi ako mahilig magbasa. Ngayon, nagbabasa na ako sa
Gusto mo mag-director?
It's always been a dream. I did a little, pero alam mo naman magsisimula yun sa susulat, di ba? So, intindi ng ano-ano, budget, etc. So, kasama na yun lahat. Pangarap ko yan, darating din.
Have you ever sumali ka sa workshop ni Sir?
I tried, pero yung schedule hindi nag-ano. So, nagpe-present na lang ako sa kanya ng nagtatanong ako sa kanya kung hingi ako ng mga tips sa kanya sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. So, he's always very generous and he always tells me, just go, trust your heart. Parang, for me, parang someone like him telling you na trust your heart is a huge thing.
Kumusta ang Quezon?
Kung mapapansin nyo yung Instagram ko, tsaka yung talagang as in sunod-sunod, we just finished our provincial leg ng national tour namin for mga forums with Tequila, PH, and Activista, and we visited so many schools and with my co-actors sa film. Siyempre mainit yung laging conversations namin doon, especially at this time. But it's been great. We've been promoting this Sunday, and dito na naman kami to do something for the film. So, I've never promoted this heavy.
Yeah.
Something this important kasi for me na So, yeah, game lang.
Sabi mo kasi we need to educate the audience.
I mean, I was educated. I mean, my goal was not to educate. It was Gerald's and PBA's mission to create Bayaniverse from General Luna to Goyo to now Quezon. And I'm just happy to jump on board dito sa mission nila na, to use history as a tool for empowering.
Tingin mo ba?
Go.
Paano siya mag-resonate na yung current visionary?
Here?
Yeah, yung story ng Quezon. How many years ngayon? Paano mo siya na mga issue na yun?
If you watch the film, garantisado that you will feel something and ask questions and realize something. It was made for us to understand why the Philippines is the way it is now. So Quezon is one of the biggest figures in Philippine history, and he is a brilliant, man and a great leader. So just by watching a movie, spending 2 hours in the cinema, and I hope that everyone can support our movie. I think at least ma-share ko yung experience ko doing it. I feel prouder as a Filipino.
Yeah.
I feel, more empowered, more, I'm fuller, and parang feeling ko I'm enriched, and I'm just inspired. Despite whatever's happening, I feel encouraged. And I'm not giving up. This is.
Anong takeaway mo sa mga nangyayari?
I mean, this is ilang beses na ba nangyari sa atin to?
True.
Pero the point is we don't remember that these things happen, and pag dumating na, then eto na naman, di ba? So what is the takeaway? For us to remember the distant history and the recent happenings. We have to remember and learn from it. It doesn't matter what I feel. It doesn't matter what I think. What matters is what we do from here on as a collective, as Filipinos, magbuklod-buklod and really know what we deserve and fight for what we deserve, and develop a way of transparency and consistency, and there's this kailangan may tayo kailangan meron tayong check and balance, nagtitinginan tayo sa isa't isa, parang gano'n. So, unless we create this habit of checking on each other and really communicating with each other, leaders to, you know, citizens to leaders. As a collective talaga, wala tayong pupuntahan. We really have to be together. We have to be together.
As a taxpayer,
Yes.
may galit.
I feel what you feel. I think what you think. That's my that's my statement. I am a feeling, thinking man. I am a feeling, thinking man, and I can never say that I do not care. I care because I think we all just need something to be a proud Filipino. We need to be able to care for something, care for the country. Look why we should love this country, so that we can fight for this country, not fight against each other. Not it's just like we need to be proud of the country. You know, we need to be proud Filipinos. Kasi otherwise, wala. I refuse to watch it.
Pero sabi ni Direk,
I mean,
But there's 10 minutes preview every day,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yung napanood mo.
Panood ko na,
Yung
yung 10
10
minutes kasi I'm forced to watch it. Even the trailer. Pero I refuse to watch the movie because gusto ko yung experience na. I've read the script like 100 times.
So sa premiere
Pero sa premiere with everyone. If you guys are going, of course we'll invite you.
Yung trailer pa lang lakas talaga ng dating.
Yeah.
Talagang
Very Gen Z
understandable
siya.
kung gaano ka-excited ngayon kasi talaga nakaka-excite yung movie.
Naka-pressure din. Exactly.
Tapos na yung pressure. Tapos na yun. It's all excitement na lang.
pepper yung hair mo dahil kay
Salt and pepper na siya before. Siguro part na ng audition ko to kaya inano nila, 'di ba? Na kaya napili na nila ako. No, but I'm just really sana October 15 na yung ganun. Ganun yung feeling ko. I've never been so excited about the film. No offense to my other films and other projects, but this one's pretty special and I just can't wait for everyone to watch it because everyone was so excellent in the film. Direct's writing was funny, it's, you know, heartfelt and all emotions mararamdaman mo talaga, and I've never been so proud.
Last na.
Okay.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. May palakpakan
Obviously
pa.
naman sobrang happy nyo ngayon ni Jim.
Yeah, we're happy. You know, I don't share much. I don't share a lot of like personal life from them. But when I do, I mean it. So yeah, it's something to celebrate. You know. So yeah, happy anniversary.
Congrats.
In love. Yung ganong feeling.
May seasons ang
Yun ang
buhay.
nakikita namin sa'yo.
May seasons ang buhay.
Sure.
Okay
Pero kung saan naman yung nasa pack.
Loko yun eh. Loko. Good to see you guys.
Thank you.
Give the energy here with the people and the actors and singers na kasama natin.
Known si Sir Ricky for ang kanyang mga novels are also social political.